Let's begin the session. What is this? It's a line segment AB. Recall that a line segment has two endpoints. Now, if I extend it endlessly from both the sides, it becomes a line, right? And if in the same line segment AB, I extend it only from one end, it is called a ray. And if I join any other ray with the given ray AB, it will form an angle. You remember all this, right? That's good. Now, in this chapter, we'll be talking more about all these. Since you know about angles, can you tell me if an angle is less than 90 degrees, what is it called? It is called an acute angle. What about an angle more than 90 degrees? It is called an obtuse angle. Now, let's know what are complementary angles.